Well, hello there, and welcome to Project Plus. So this is going to take me a little while to get through. So we'll see if we can publish videos, hopefully at least once a day. So I've done project management off and on throughout my career as part of my job. It has not been the sole part of my job. In fact, it's been a very small part of my job. So I would strongly suggest that you use other material other than just this playlist to get you ready. I will link you to things as I find them, and anytime I reference something or show something, I'll link to it down below in the video. So I'm creating this in February 2025, and let's just start talking about why Project Plus. So working with projects is something that you're going to be doing in an IT field or another, even in other fields. So it's something that's good to kind of understand and know. It's oftentimes a very small part of your job. Sometimes doing the project work couldn't be a lot of your job, but actually managing the project is usually a small part. Some places have designated project managers, and some don't. So it just depends on the size of the organization. So we're looking at the latest version, PK0-005, and right here we have the CompTIA Project Plus exam objectives. So once again, I'll link this down below. Let's make this a little bigger. This is something that's kind of an entry-level exam, and there's quite a bit to cover. So maximum 90 questions, 90 minutes, and its recommended experience is 6 months to a year. The domains are project management concepts, project lifecycle phases, tools and documentation, and basics of IT and governance. And if you look, they're not all weighted the same, okay? So 33% is the project management concepts. And I've taken this, and this is kind of the basics of the shell of this presentation I'll be doing. Now, as we go through, I've created slides for every single one of these, and then adding stuff as we go. So the Project Plus certification also has its own page. It's supposed to open your door to project management type careers, okay? But even understanding why a project manager is doing something is good. So even if you're not doing project management. Now, one of the things, if we look at this, there are lots of similar certifications. Most of them are from the Project Management Institute. So, Project Management Institute, they have certifications starting from entry level, which would be Certified Associate in Project Management, CAPM, all the way to professional and specialized certifications. So the Project Management Institute is one that is more well recognized in the project management realm. Now, looking at CompTIA's certification roadmap, if we look for project, so Project Plus is looking at the software development track. If we look at CAPM, they have it in the IT service management. If we look at PMP, they also have it in the IT service management. So we're looking at management functions when it comes to project management. Which certification is right? It depends on what you want to do. If you're here, obviously you have interest in project management. It might be that you want to become a project manager. It might be that you're just wanting to understand project managers better. It might be that it's just part of your job. So if we look through these, the core pathway for CompTIA, Project Plus is not there. In infrastructure, Project Plus is not there. In cybersecurity, Project Plus is not there. In data and analysis, Project Plus is not there. In professional, that's where Project Plus is. So I like how some people have taken this. Oh, I linked this. They've actually created a graphic of that, of what we just went through. This is a blown up of a picture on this other page. That's why that's zoomed in. Sorry. So if we look here, you have the different pathways: infrastructure, cybersecurity, data analytics. Project Plus is over here, is in its own area. So it's not part of the pathways. And whenever I'm talking about certifications, I take people to the DoD cybersecurity pathways. And if we look here, so I've downloaded it, just created a pivot table of tab A, which tab A takes the certification, which is the acronym, and we can look at the work role titles. They also have the proficiency for it, but that's okay. If I come over here, Project Plus is not one of them that is looked for IT jobs from the DoD. For that matter, I don't think PMP or PMI certifications are here either. It is not a IT certification. It's kind of a side certification. Okay. So why am I looking at it? Because if we look back at this pathway here, in 2025, the beginning of 2025, I have everything in the infrastructure except for CloudNet X, which isn't out yet. I have everything in cybersecurity except for CASP being transitioned to Security X, which is a professional one like CloudX. I have everything in data analytics except for Data X. So what I'm missing is the fundamental ones, so the Tech Plus, Cloud Essentials Plus, and Project Plus, and the professional ones. So I'm looking to polish up my Project Plus information so I can pass it myself. And I will probably be taking Tech Plus and Cloud Essentials while I'm recording these videos. And then all I need to do to have every single one of these is do the professional ones. If you want to look at what I currently have, I will link to my Creditly down below. I just want to give some qualifications as to why I think I might be qualified to make this playlist, this video series for you. Anyway, I'll try and pump out at least a video a day, and our next one will be starting with project management concepts. Anyway, we'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.